In the vast world of birds, bulbuls stand out as favorites, not just for their melodious songs, but also for their charming and vibrant appearances. Known as nature's artists of the skies, bulbuls are widely distributed across Asia, Africa, and other tropical regions. With over 40 different species, each brings its own unique beauty and fascinating traits. Let's dive deeper into the enchanting world of these birds. 1. Red-whiskered bulbul. The red-whiskered bulbul is a familiar icon in Southeast Asia. It has a brownish-gray plumage, white underparts, and striking red patches on its cheeks. The crest on its head, resembling a royal crown, adds an air of majesty. This species thrives in pairs or small flocks, often inhabiting low hills, parks, or gardens near human settlements. Its clear, melodious songs make it a natural background for peaceful mornings. 2. Black-capped bulbul. With its golden yellow plumage and glossy black cap, the black-capped bulbul stands out in tropical forests. A white ring around its eyes adds an extra touch of charm. Found in dense rainforests or along rivers. This bulbul enjoys a diet of berries and small insects. It typically moves in pairs, showing a strong bond with its mate. 3. Red-vented bulbul. Common in South Asia, this bulbul boasts a bright red patch on its vent, glossy black plumage, and grayish underparts. Its sleek feathers shimmer under sunlight, adaptable to urban environments. This species is often seen near residential areas. Its complex and varied melodies are a hallmark of dawn in its habitats. 4. Streaked bulbul. Sporting light grey plumage with faint streaks near its ears, this bulbul has a modest yet elegant look. Its balanced proportions make it easily recognizable, preferring plains and rural regions. The streak-eared bulbul is often found foraging in fruit trees or low bushes. While it isn't as vocal as some species, its distinctive calls are unmistakable.